you're out there looking at houses, what are the key features or things that you should be looking for? The number one to consider is when you're looking at the house from the exterior, the first thing you're going to most likely see is the roof. And you want to ask, is that roof in good shape? And is it easy for me to maintain? Now, other features that people love to have as homeowners, so you can make sure that your house will increase in equity and you'll be able to sell in the future or turn it into rental, is a very nice open kitchen, a spacious master and closet, and does it have storage? So kitchen, master, and storage, those are the big three things to look for when you're looking at a house, and forget all the fancy stuff like appliances and things that can easily be changed. None of that matters. What really matters is the layout, how desirable it is, and how well built the home is. Now, the last thing that's really important depending on the city and state that you're living in is to figure out what kind of foundation your home has. Here in El Paso, we love to see what's called a post-tension slab, which means your home is built on a slab with post-tension cables running through it. That's a good sign. That means it was built on a solid foundation and you won't have to deal with any issues that some other homes will. So those are some key features to consider when you're looking for a house.